Hello everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I want to showcase this beautiful 2023 Nautique G23. We're starting off on the exterior and you'll notice this beautiful mystic white with the black hull bottom. And towards the transom of the boat, you'll see this beautiful anthracite metal flake accent color which ties in really nicely with the interior. Moving up to the tower itself, you have strapless board racks that do swivel in and out. You have that bimini top that's in its closed position right now, and it does fold out to the right and to the left, just giving you a lot more shade. There's two tower speakers up there, giving you plenty of sound. When somebody's surfing or even wakeboarding, they can hear that sound and really feel immersed. As we move our way to the back, I'll point out this nice big swim platform here. Sea deck on it, so you're not going to slip on it. Got a couple cup holders here just for convenience purposes. Okay, a ladder is built in underneath as well, just to make it easier to get up into the boat if you need to. There's an integrated tow point right here for tubers, for skiers if you want to. And then there is a cooler in here as well, so nice feature. You'll see you have two transom seats that you can sit on when the boat is not underway, so maybe when you're anchored or just floating. You also have a transom stereo remote to control the sound, control the different songs that you play as well. So a lot of nice little features here on this Nautique G23. That was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. Hello everyone, welcome to the interior of this beautiful G23. I first want to point out this nice walkway here with the mocha brown sea deck. It looks really sharp against this tungsten gray vinyl here. Again, the strapless board racks that do swivel in and out, really easy, just like that. Same thing on the other side. The two tower speakers up top here on the tower. A lot of space here in this G23. You have all the seats on supported hinges, makes it easy just to get underneath the seats. Again, all finished off inside with sea deck, so they have true attention to detail in these G23s and in all Nautiques. Close back up like so. Now as we move forward here a little bit, you will have a cooler underneath the floor here. It's got matching sea deck on top. At the helm here, yes, it's missing the link pan array screen. They're on back order at the moment, but we will be getting those in soon. It has this beautiful captain's chair, race car inspired seat here. So you have a nice cutout right here, making it easy to turn and face the people that are in your cockpit to talk to, which is really cool. Great bolstering through the midsection and through the legs here. So you're gonna feel really comfortable. The ergonomics are fantastic on a G23. You have this nice big armrest here. It's kind of like oversized. Your throttle's off to your right here. Your encoded rotary dial all right here. Easy to access, easy to find things on the screen when it is in the boat. Beautiful steering wheel, 3-spoke design here, leather wrapped. Nice stitching here. I mean, it feels extremely premium. At the passenger side here, you have a passenger side seat here that is actually heated. And the way you know that is inside this little glove box, there's a passenger side heater button that you press, which is kind of unique and pretty cool. Keep the passenger nice and comfortable. The glove box is recessed, so when the driver is driving this boat, it makes it easier for him to see through the windshield and look out into the distance for any oncoming boats. Just more of a safety feature thing that I like to point out. It has the wavefront JL speakers, producing more sound, bouncing off of that windshield and pushing that sound back into the cockpit for those people that are really looking for that very immersive sound experience. As we move forward here into the bow, nice big walkway. You do have a pop-out air dam door that slides into place just like that. It's got a dedicated spot for it right there, so you don't have to pull it out from underneath the seat. It's right there. There is a spot here to access your garbage can. Flips open like so. And then up in the bow itself, very spacious. You have a couple armrests that flip up. They flip back down. This one does have the bow filler cushion as well. Right now it's flipped to the sea deck side. You can take this cushion out and walk right out the boat if you'd like. Underneath the bow seats themselves, there is storage compartments here. So again, finished off with sea deck in true Nautique fashion. But this G23 is really known for that storage and for producing that incredible surf wave as well. You guys, this is the Nautique G23. It's a 2023. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions on this boat or any model in our lineup here, please give us a call or come stop in. We'd be glad to help you out.